Are you guys ready?
Lo questo
When you do a technique, you need to stand your ground. And draw your power from the earth. Now you're gonna bring up your hand and punch. Ready? Go!